are already up there. The purple and yellow are already installed, and the 2 others will be installed right over there. And a lot of slides are already installed. The other tower in the back is already finished. And all that needs to be done now is the runoffs. And there is more supports and more tube back there. Alright, so this is the beginning of the tube slides on the main structure. These are the covers that will go over the drop pads on the top. That covers the whole mechanism, so those will be going up there. And then, just for you that want to see the label, here's the label of it. Here's the capsule for the blue slide. You can see, so you'll be standing there and you will drop underneath. Same with that, there's the mechanism right there. And then here's more of the tube slides. You can see inside, that one's going to be blue and white. Right. Then you got the orange slide right here. This is one of the drop box. There's the open part of the tube for the bigger tube slides. The orange seems to be the only one that still has pieces out here. The rest is inside or already installed. And you got your Whitewater West logo. You got the end of the run out down there. You got more blue and more orange. You got the run out still down here. So all the run out is still right here, waiting to be installed.